In today's video, I will walk you through how to record a Zoom meeting on laptop with audio. Before you begin, make sure you have permission to record the meeting. In Zoom, only the host or someone the host has given permission to can start a recording. If the record option is grayed out, the host may need to enable recording for you or make you a co-host. If you're starting your own meeting, you already have permission to record by default. Once you're in the meeting, look at the toolbar along the bottom of the Zoom window and find the record option. If your Zoom window is too narrow, some controls may be hidden under the More button, shown with 3 dots. Click More to reveal the additional controls, then select Record. As soon as you click Record, Zoom immediately starts recording the meeting. You'll see an indicator showing that recording is
Recording
in
in
progress,
progress.
so you can confirm that everything is being captured. Next, click
Recording
the
stopped.
small upward arrow next to the Record button to open the recording settings. This is where you can adjust how your recording will be saved on your laptop. In the Settings window, choose the folder where you want Zoom to save your recording files. Selecting a dedicated folder makes it easier to find your recordings later. If you plan to save the recording to an external drive, make sure the drive is connected and has enough available storage space before you continue, since video recordings can take up a significant amount of space. While you're still in the recording settings, open the Advanced Settings section. If you want more control over the audio later, enable the option to record separate participant audio files. When this setting is turned on, Zoom creates an individual audio track for each participant who speaks during the meeting. This can make it easier to adjust audio later or work with separate voice recordings if needed. After you've selected your save location and enabled separate participant audio files if you want them, you're ready to continue recording. As long as your microphone and speakers are working correctly in Zoom, the recording will include both the video and the audio from the meeting. If you're not hearing the other participants before you start recording, check your audio device in Zoom's audio menu. Make sure the correct audio device is selected so the meeting audio is captured properly during the recording. Before continuing with the meeting, let the other participants know that the meeting is being recorded. Also, keep an eye on your available storage space throughout the recording to help avoid interruptions if your drive becomes full. If you can't find the record button at any point, try expanding the Zoom window. If it still isn't visible, click the More button again to check whether the recording option is located there. Once you've confirmed that you have permission to record, started the recording, selected your preferred save location, and enabled separate participant audio files if you want them, everything is set. Zoom will save the meeting recording to the folder you selected on your laptop, including both the video and the audio from the meeting. Thank you for watching.